Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Gayatri. Today I want to show you my HTML project profile page. As you all know, we already discussed about our web page, our home page in our website. So today I want to show my profile page. So at the top I write doc type HTML. So this tells the browser it is HTML5 document. Then I use HTML with attribute language English. It is the root of our HTML page. Then I used after that I use head tag with meta tag and title tags. So head tag contains some information about our website, meta tag contains some information like meta tag support the all characters, and meta name viewport. This tag uh, help to make the website responsive. Then a title tag used for the title of our website. Okay, then I use body tag. So why we are using body tag, I already told you. So body tag, it is the main tag, like main tag, because this tag contain all visible information of our website here. So in the body tag, first of all I use header tag. This tag tells the browser it is the header of our website. Then I use h1 tag for main heading of our website. It is the student profile, it is the main heading of my website. Then I use navigation tag. Then I use navigation tag used for the connect links. No, sorry. Then I use navigation tag used for the contain the menus and the links. So after that we are using another list tag with the list item tag. Then I use button tag for make a text or any link clickable like a button. That's why we are using button tag here. Then I use a tag. Why we are using a tag used for the link. This is our links like href. It is the attribute for connect the link here. So home, profile, course, grade, then feedback, contact, it is all other pages of this website. So then I use hr tag for the horizontal line. Then I use link tag for showing a one favicon in our browser tab. Then I use a image tag here. Image tag used for the attaching the image, attaching one image. So that's why I'm using image tag here. After that, okay, in the image tag I use src attribute. What, why we are using src attribute? तो src attribute हम लिंक को कनेक्ट करने के लिए करते हैं कि हमें वहां पे कौन सी लिंक देनी है. ओके, देन आई एम यूजिंग alt attribute. Why we are using alt attribute and why it is important? Is it important or not? So it is important because if our link is not uploaded in other devices, so यूजर को ये दिखेगा कि हाँ, ये जो हमारी इमेज है यहाँ पे, ये किसी गर्ल की इमेज है. यहाँ पे मैंने अल्ट में गर्ल लिखा है, मतलब मैंने ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे जो लिंक दी है वो किसी गर्ल की इमेज की है. सो देन आई यूज p मीन्स पैराग्राफ. I write a small paragraph here. That's why I'm using p tag here. Then I'm using u tag. Why we are using u tag? I used u tag for underline in my h1 tag. That's why I'm using u tag here. Then I use h2 tag for subheading. It is my subheading hobbies. And then list item tag, it is list items. That's why I'm using list. And okay, this is the pre tag. So pre tag using for the space as it is like which we are giving in our code. So ये as it is show होनी चाहिए हमारी website पे, इसलिए हम pre tag use करते हैं. Then okay, finally uh, it's footer tag. So footer, we are using footer because it tells the browser it is the footer of our website. So and it is p tag for a copyright. हम जो लिखते हैं, it's make a website professional. Then okay, so I want to show you my profile page. It is my profile page. You can see here, it's like a professional and it is only made by html. No any css or anything here. You can see it is the buttons, it is buttons, headings, information, underline text. So thank you for watching my videos. So तो मिलते हैं next video में with our course page.